Hello and welcome. How is everybody doing today? You know I appreciate y'all. I really, really do. Thank you for being here. Bet that one caught you off guard. Today I have for you BeautyFix. Not sure how much it is. It'll be on the screen per my usual. If you remember me talking about schedule changes last month, I did say I was going to cut down on some boxes, and this is one of the boxes I decided to cut out. I think it's around $24 a month, not $100. Like I said, it'll be on the screen, but it was between this box and Allure, and I decided to keep Allure. So let's get into the last BeautyFix. So you do get a pamphlet. It does have the products inside, but it does not give prices. This is generally a sample size, travel size box. Rarely have I seen full-sized items in there, but I don't know. I'm looking at it today and maybe there are full-sized items. I don't know. Let's get into this. The first thing I am pulling out is by Herbivore, and it is Coconut Ultra Hydrating Body Oil.
I don't know that.
Ignore her. I am not going to spray this. I have so many body oils currently that I am just going to pass this along, but I bet that that smells really good. I do love the smell of coconut. Let's see, what does it say? A deeply nourishing and hydrating body oil with a scent that's like a midwinter tropical vacation. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is, looks like a duo. Okay, these aren't full-size things. Glancing at them, I thought that they were full-size things, but these are travel size shampoo and conditioner, and it is Szechuan, maybe? I don't know. I cannot pronounce that, but that's cool. I do like to take my own shampoos and soaps with me on vacation, so this is great. Yeah, so it's just a shampoo and conditioner. I will be keeping that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Sanitize Defoxitine Scrub Mask. And again, you guys know how I am with masks, but this is a 3-in-1 Ultra Exfoliant. So I will just go ahead and pass this along to someone else that might be able to get some use out of it. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, what is this? E.H. Emma Hardy. It's a cleansing balm. Okay, so again, I don't need anything like this. I have so many. I will pass this along to somebody else that could get some use out of it, but let's see if it says anything special about it. Oil-based cleanser, removes makeup and dirt without stripping skin. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out is Now Delivers Nourishment Beyond the Skin's Surface. Dermatologica, Intensive Moisture Balance. Okay, and that's cool. I love dermatological products. My husband uses them, my son uses them, I also use them. So I will keep that. Let's see if it says anything special about it. It's okay, it's an intensive moisture cleanser. Daily cleanser refreshes and hydrates the skin while working to banish blemishes. So that's cool. Yeah, I'll totally keep that. The next thing I am pulling out is by Neostrata, and it is a bionic face cream. And it looks like that. It is just a sample size or a travel size. Let's see. It's an anti-aging cream that smooths and soothes sensitive and post-procedure skin. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, cool. I will actually keep that. And then let's see, I am also pulling out Magic White Ice Arcona Hydrate. Magic White Ice. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin in the AM and or PM. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really say what it is, so let's see if we can find it on here. Magic White Ice protects against free radicals and deeply hydrates to leave skin dewy. Okay, so it's just a moisturizer. Cool. Pass it along. And the last thing I am pulling out, this might be a full size, Rejuvenating Mini Peel Gel by Glytone. That might be a full size. It might just be. Gently exfoliates dead skin cells, build up to reveal a smooth, even complexion. So that's cool. I will pass that along, you know, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video. I'm getting so much skincare, and I think I'm at a point now where I'm going to be just kind of weeding out the boxes that I don't really need. I have stuff overflowing. So, you know, I think that this is the last box I'm going to cut out for now. But I think in the future, if I'm going to cut a box out, I will replace it with a new box to be able to try a new box. I think that's about where I am right now with the boxes. So that was BeautyFix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. Oh, wait. I did want to give a shout out to Anchor of Hope. She was the winner of the Halloween collab giveaway. So I will link her picture. She received all of her goodies. I will link her picture up in one of the corners here. But again, congratulations to Anchor of Hope for winning that giveaway. I really hope that you enjoy everything that was sent to you. And that's it. I think I'm done now. Have a great day. Bye.